Finding the courage to change. God is not a terrorist. I grew up in a community that had a lot of fire and brimstone, burn in hell forever beliefs about God. I don't ever want to disrespect anyone's religion. You are all free to believe what you want. However, the most beautiful, comforting images from the Bible are about God's love. The teachings of the New Testament are about love and forgiveness. So I'm pretty sure that God is not a terrorist. When I look for my higher power, I relate to the love and forgiveness message. We are all born deserving. We are all worthy of God's love, forgiveness, and support. Not one of us has been excluded. When I study the teachers of the law of attraction, I see more evidence that my higher power is not a terrorist. Since I create my own reality, I might be creating hardship. I might even need hardship in order to grow more. I need the clarity of difficulty to motivate me to do great things. I'm here to be a creator, just like my higher power. I'm a living fractal of pure positive energy. I can focus on solutions. I can reach for better thoughts. I'm guided onto my path of least resistance. My higher power is pure positive energy. I'm totally supported, completely loved, and already deserving. And so are you.